right, so today is Liberation Day. What the heck? What the heck does that mean? I don't know, but market is waiting for it. I don't think the market knows either, but so yesterday, my higher level that I had was the top of the single print. We didn't quite get there, but we cleaned up most of the single print. After failing, if you see what happened yesterday, we tried. I was mentioning this area to watch, right? And I said if we cannot get into this distribution, this lower distribution, we were probably gonna chop around here and attempt to get the highs and clean up some of the single prints. And you know, in the morning we tried getting in here, and then I mentioned on the stream I saw a bunch of bullish order flow, if you remember, and then it started shifting direction, rejected this area, and then I think it tried a couple more times to get in there, but kept failing. So then we chopped around and then broke above the highs, cleaned up some of the single prints. We closed up here above this high, so I thought that today we might see a continuation of this bullish action, but overnight sellers were able to take the whole range down, and now we're retesting again the same spot, and we're seeing some buyers here too. But after getting here and then coming back here, what's likely to happen is that we now attempt to take the low from yesterday and then see if we can get to the bottom of this distribution, right? Value area low for this session, for Monday's session, is at 55.84. So that's the first target if we break the lows from yesterday, and then if we keep going, if sellers keep going, right around 55.60 would be the area to look for another bounce, which is right here, the low of this C and what's the other period? I can't see, this chart is too small, but B and C period are right here. The lows are right here. And then we had this bearish imbalances targets down here, 55.15 and 55.28, that I'm still watching. If we get below that, then I'm gonna be looking to see if we can catch a bounce from here. There's two lows that are next to each other in these targets, so if we get here, we still have some single prints down here. So from here, I'm gonna be looking for a bounce, but I'm gonna be looking at order flow at that point, depending on the time of the day too. And of course, here still same as yesterday, chop around, filling this low volume areas, and then the magnet keeps being 56.70. And then above the overnight high and yesterday's high, then target is 57.15, and then right here 57.55. We started a new quarter, and the quarterly pivot shifted down here to 57.50, so that's also an area that's important because of the high volume node and that untested point of control and the quarterly pivot. So I'm expecting this to also be a little bit of a magnet at some point if we get up there. And that's about it. I think that, you know, market's gonna be a little choppy today, waiting for the news. But as we've been seeing lots of sellers lately, so keep an eye on that. NQ, same as yesterday. You can watch the video from yesterday, pretty much same levels. That 230 is a magnet here. If we are able to come below this area now, and then above, we almost got to that target. you know, we're a little shy of it. And then we have the 880, which is still the 20-day point of control, which will likely shift down at some point. Crude almost got to my target, didn't quite get there, rejected. Oh, I have to adjust this monthly pivots. I didn't adjust them, so I'm gonna do that now. And then gold was dropping earlier, but you know, it's still holding that low volume node. So just balancing around here. The target still was not hit, which was 3182. So looking for this area, as long as it holds, maybe another test of the highs and attempt to get there to that 3180 area. What else we got? We got news today. We got 10 a.m. US factory orders. Then we have crude inventories, and then at 4 p.m. after the market closes, Trump is speaking. So let's see what happens with that. Tomorrow we also have some OPEC meetings and jobless claims, PMI, bunch of stuff coming up, and then non-farm NFP on the 4th. All right, good luck.